Wanted to move to New Zealand because because it was known as a really nice place to be, very similar to where I'm from, and it was a new opportunity for me and my family. I had a newborn on the way, and it's meant to be a really family-friendly country. So yeah, it was, and so far it has been. So I really enjoy it here. With Downer, they supported us through identifying companies that we could use to get our possessions here. It's just a time process with the visas, etc. But yeah, it was in the end it was quite a simple process. The things I love about New Zealand are the weather, the beaches, and the family-friendly atmosphere. Fishing, hunting, no, definitely cafe culture. Auckland or London? Most definitely Auckland. In my spare time, I love to explore New Zealand. We do it every weekend. Flip-flops or jandals? What are jandals?